Today we're diving into a step-by-step tutorial on how to create beautiful cornrows with unique zigzags for women. Many women struggle with achieving the perfect cornrows, whether it's the technique, styling, or maintaining the look. We'll walk through the necessary tools, preparation, and techniques needed to create various cornrow styles. First off, let's talk about the essentials. You'll need hair clips to hold sections in place, a rat tail comb for parting the hair, finger parting tool to create the stitches while braiding, some hair braiding gel for smoothness, and hair mousse to give the final look a sleek finish. To get started, make a side part depending on the side the client wants the left out hair to fall to. In this case, the part will be on the right. Divide the part to be braided into 3 equal sections from the front to the mid-back of the head, where you want the braided portion to stop. The size of the sections depend on the exact style of cornrows the client requests. Using the gel on the parts helps section the hair easily and precisely. You want to make sure you're using the precision comb to carefully make a clean part and to gently comb away any excess hairs. You can see that I'm going around the hair for this part because that's what the style requires. Next, for this style, we're going to make a zigzag part. Starting from the front of the head, use the precision comb to create a zigzag pattern. Move the comb in a right to left or left to right motion at an angle to make the zigzag. The wider the motion, the wider the zigzag pattern. So you want to make sure you get the right width for the style. Continue this motion to the end of the part. Be careful to keep the pattern even for a neat look. Look how the zigzags are coming out nice. Remember, patience is key. Keep it neat and remain focused. Once the zigzag is complete, clip or tie the rest of the hair away. Next, take a small section of the hair at the start of the zigzag part and make a small horizontal part at the front of the hair. Divide the rest of the hair into 2. Braid once by crossing the right strand to the middle strand to the left, and the left strand to the right. Use the finger parting tool to create a small horizontal stitch on the left side. Braid once again and create a small horizontal stitch on the right side. Make sure the braid is firm and close to the scalp. Continue braiding like so until you get to the mid-back of the head. Although the rat tail comb can also be used to create the stitches, using the finger parting tool to create the stitches is faster. For beginners, I would recommend using the rat tail comb until you get a hang of the stitch process. The comb method gives you a leeway to comb through the strands as you go for a smoother braiding experience. As you braid, you want to ensure that each stitch maintains the same size, creating a clean, lined up pattern from the start to the end. Moving to the next section, Make another clean part and begin the process of making a zigzag parting. Along the line of the straight parting from the front of the head, use the precision comb to create a zigzag pattern. Move the comb in a right to left or left to right motion at an angle to make the zigzag. Ensure your zigzag parts are straight by combing away excess hairs. Use the rat tail comb to comb out the sectioned hair and use the braiding gel to clean up the parts while combing through or making the parts. Also make sure the hair is flat along the edges of the section to have a nice finished look. Now let's repeat the process. Braid once by crossing the right strand to the middle strand to the left, and the left strand to the right. Use the finger parting tool to create a small horizontal stitch on the left side. Braid once again, and create a small horizontal stitch on the right side. Make sure the braid is firm and close to the scalp. Continue braiding like so until you get to the mid-back of the head. Where the curly hair flows, tie the braid strand with double elastic band to hold the braided portion in place. Part another section of hair next to the previous one and follow the same process. The smaller the stitches, the more defined the braid. For beginners, small size stitches are easier to control. Always maintain a firm grip on the hair to ensure the braid is close to the scalp. Continue until all desired cornrows are complete. Apply hair mousse to provide moisture to the hair while also providing medium hold, helping the cornrows maintain its shine and moisture without stiffness. And this is the final look. For this particular client's request, we didn't braid to the end. We braided halfway to the other side of the head where the curls are left out and tied the braids with double elastic bands and let it flow out into the rest of the hair. In summary, we've learned not only how to create stunning cornrows, but also how to customize them to reflect your client's personal style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos for more hairstyling tips and tricks, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what styles you want to learn next. Happy braiding!